Hey guys, it's Alex from Techaeris.com, and today I am unboxing a set of headphones that I'm really kind of excited to actually have in house. These are from Cambridge Audio. They are a British audio company. It's been around for a while, and we actually did a few reviews of their gear back a few years ago, and they make some solid stuff. So this is their very first set of over-ear headphones with active noise cancellation, and I was intrigued to get these for review. The price point is interesting. At $279, these are cheaper than some of the other, let's say, more affordable, less pricey than some of Cambridge Audio's competitors, like Bowers and Wilkins and Sony and Bose, and some of the other ones that are out there. So I'm very interested in trying these today, or not today, but excuse me. I'm very interested in trying them, but excited to unbox them today. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to go over the specs here in a second. But I want to get to the unboxing because that's what you're here for. These are from the pictures. They resemble a few different brands that I've reviewed. They look similar, so I'm not sure where I don't know the manufacturing process or whatever, but they look really nice. So I'm excited to open them up, and we're gonna switch camera real quick, and we're gonna get that done, and then we'll switch back to my desktop so you guys we'll go over the specs and stuff on these. Let's switch over to the camera, and there we are. These are the Cambridge Audio Melomania P100s. The company had just come out with I can't believe, I don't remember. Let me see. They have a true wireless set they just came out with as well. And those are the M100s. So these are the P100s. The M100s are in-ear true wireless ANCs, and these are over-ear wireless ANCs. So that's the box. Pretty straightforward. Very minimal box. A lot of companies are doing this very minimal, and supposed to be friendly to the environment. Packaging very, it's not like it's recycled material basically. I don't care either way. Doesn't matter to me. I'm not here for that. I'm here for these. So let's see. So you got a black sleeve, and in that black sleeve you have your brown box with Cambridge Audio embossed on there, right there. Cambridge Audio, or just Cambridge, sorry. And then further in, there we go. Further in, we have some documentation there from Cambridge Audio. I'll read that later. And within, you have a hard shell case with a little bit of dust in here. That's a sealed product. I wonder how that got on there. All right, it's a solid case. It's that'll protect them fine. This is this is what I expect from audio products of this magnitude, of this price. So that's a nice looking case. Zipper pull. Let's see here. Nice pull, and it even has a spot in here where you can tuck the zipper in so it doesn't hang out. And there they are. But we'll get to those in a second. Start here. They want you to probably, manuals and stuff. QR code to download the app. Everything has an app these days. Everything else is just documentation in there. We'll go over that later. I'll go over that later. All right, now I just want to get to the actual headphones, but we'll go look at the accessories that come with it. A nice braided USB-C to aux cable. So these do have aux in them too if you don't want to use them wirelessly. Sorry, I'm going to try and get this. There we go, in focus. Good length. It looks like probably 3 foot at least. Silicone gel. And of course, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And that is also braided in black. And that is all for accessories. Inside, a nice little pocket in here that holds the accessories right in there with a little magnet that holds it down. It's nice. There's a few other brands that do this as well. So very nice looking case, molded. So we'll put that to the side. And here are the headphones. Cambridge Audio Melomania P100. Good looking. I like this. This is kind of like their logo, so that's kind of neat. I'm not sure if there's buttons or there's some sort of. I'll have to go over that at some point when I'm doing the review, but I'm not gonna go over that right now. Let's see here what we got. That looks like USB-C port right there, and your power and Bluetooth connectivity, volume. Sorry about the camera. Doing my best here to get good shots here for you. Let's see here. Let's use this cup right here first. We'll do here. Get the lighting in there too, so that you guys can. So it grabs the lighting. Sometimes it doesn't want to do that. Very nice. I like how they have bright orange on the left and right. Not that I don't know my left and right, but sometimes they don't mark them very well, and these are marked nicely so that you can see. Very nice build quality. Metal. Seems like it's metal. Yep, it's metal. So these are metal housings. Metal brackets that hold the ear cups in. The headband is plastic. This is metal. And then up in here is plastic. Feels like a good plastic. I'm trying to feel out the headband itself. This is not as soft as I would expect. We'll see how that is for comfort. It looks nice. It feels nice. I'm not sure. We'll see how that all pans out. So they fold flat. They do not fold in. There's no in folding. It's just flat and both ways. So you can wear them around your neck one way or the other. And they articulate this way nicely. That's a lot, actually. That's important right there. That's really important, I think, to have this articulation because everybody's heads, or all our heads, are different. And not only this way, but then, you know, having that ability to go this way too is important. So let's take a look. I'm going to switch off back to my desktop, and we're going to take a look at some of these specs. All right, so we have their key points are crafted for stunning sound, Class AB amplification through custom 40mm diaphragm drivers, 100-hour battery life. Wow. 5 minutes of charge gives up to 4 hours of playback. Designed for life. Okay, well, has adaptive hybrid active noise canceling, seamless multi-device pairing, engineered by experts. aptX adaptive audio, aptX lossless clear video capture, echo canceling, noise suppression, and Bluetooth 5.3 multi-connection. Environmentally conscious. Okay, we'll get through that. Let's see here. Let's go to tech specs here. And here we are, the full tech specs. You guys can pause the video and look at that if you'd like. Class AB, we went through most of this already. Class AB amplification, 40mm 3-layer composite peak PU plus peak, up to 100 hours, depending on volume settings and other factors. Of course, that is just normal, I think. Battery playtime, ANC on, up to 60 hours. Charging time, 160 minutes to full. Fast charge, 5 minutes for 4 hours. USB-C or 3.5mm headphone jack. Hybrid ANC, has transparency mode. Wear detect. I like the wear detect. That is one thing I do like. That's a nice feature, to be able to take them off and, you know, put them down, and your music pauses, put them back on, and it starts back up. So that's great. Wind noise reduction. Google Fast Pair. Voice assistant activation. Microphones, has 6 mics total. Voice processing is through 2-mic Qualcomm CVC echo canceling and noise suppression technology. Excuse me. Low latency, so 80 milliseconds. Gaming mode accessible via Melomania Connect. So it looks like this has some sort of gaming compatibility for you gamers out there. I'm not really. I'm a casual gamer. I don't hardcore game, and I don't use headphones for gaming. So I won't be testing these for that. That is entirely up to you to find somewhere else, someone else to do that, because I don't use headphones while gaming, and I don't game that often. All right, we're back. It has an app, of course, upgradable through Melomania Connect 5.3. Okay, we're going on and on. Operating temperature 0 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Operating relativity. Okay, we're not going to go through all that. All right, well, that's the specs. Let's see what else we have. We have an overview here, and I think there's a video. Not sure if I have. Well, here's a. Well, it's just a girl dancing. Okay. All right, so she's having a lot of fun there with her Melomania P100s. Over-ear headphones with active noise cancellation. My first impressions on these, just looking at them again, they feel nice. They're light, very lightweight, even though they're made of metal, mostly metal. It's not all metal. The headband is plastic. Has a good I'm gonna go actually switch off of this, go into my camera so I can show you a little more. Boom, boom, where are you? Let's go back here. There we are. All right, so here, I'm tired of looking at that screen over there. Let me get that off of there. There we go. Yeah, very lightweight. I like the weight. Feel like they're not going to be too heavy on my head. I like the articulation in and out like this. Very nice. Fold flat. Fold this way. That's good. I don't care that they don't fold in. I know some people really wouldn't want that. They like that, having that ability to fold in like this. The design is nice. They remind me of something. I can't put my finger on it, but especially right here, these vent holes here. This whole design here reminds me of another pair of headphones, and I just can't place it right now. I'm gonna have to look at that at some other point. Good button placements. Nice. I like that they have physical buttons, physical on and off button, physical volume buttons. Physical buttons are important to me. I don't mind when brands integrate touch on the outsides of their headphones. I don't know that they could have done that with this, since it's all metal. I think mostly plastic headphones would do that. But it's important to me to have physical buttons. I like physical buttons. I prefer that. So that's nice. The ear cups are soft. They don't have as much travel as some others when I push down on them like this. And they return to normal quickly. They look like they're comfortable. I have another pair of headphones on right now, which is a pair of Bear Dynamics for my podcast. And the insides, let's see. I don't know that these are removable. And they are. Okay. So you can replace these. They're replaceable. You can clean them. And there's your drivers inside. Well, you can't see the driver because of the foam, but I'm not going to take the foam off. And there's the inside of the ear cup. And they're not magnetized. These are actually, they snap in. But they're easy to take off. Pretty easy to snap back in. That's pretty simple. Yeah. So yeah, my first impressions are, I like the weight. I like the design. I like the look. It's very simple, very clean, very classy. You know, they're not loud. They're not beats. And I liked the stuff that I've listened to from Cambridge Audio. I've really liked. So we'll see how they did with these, and see if they're going to win with that price point of theirs at $279. You know, they're really up there competing with Bowers and Wilkins and a Master and Dynamic, and some of the other ones I can't remember all of them. Bang & Olufsen, Sony, Bose, of course. The headphones that I use on the daily are my Focal Batiste. Those are outstanding, but they're $800, I think, maybe $700 or $800. So it's a different class. But these are, I think, attainable at this price point. I think they priced these really well, to be honest. As a first impression, I think they did a good job in pricing as far as you're getting. I think you're going to get from the feel, my first impressions and feel of this, I think you're getting your money's worth, more than your money's worth, if you get these in terms of fit and finish. Audio-wise, sound-wise, I don't know yet. That's to come. Make sure you stay tuned to Techaeris.com. We will post the full review on Techaeris.com. And this video is going to go up on YouTube, Rumble, X, MeWe, and other outlets. So make sure you check us out on any platform, all the platforms. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That really helps us. And that's it for this unboxing. It's Cambridge Audio Melomania P100s. Stay tuned for the review. These are $279. We'll leave links below where you can buy them. And we will talk to you on the other side.